If you've tried online ads for your manufacturing business and ended up with wasted spend and zero quotes, you're not alone. Most digital marketing just wasn't built for the way you sell. You sell high-ticket products offline, but platforms like Google and Meta are built for e-commerce. When someone switches devices or calls you, they can disappear from the system. No feedback loop, no optimization, just a guessing game. And if your sale happens weeks or months after a click, that signal is completely lost. Your ad system gets dumber instead of smarter. At Peak 10 Marketing, we fix that. We built a modular marketing system that connects your sales outcomes back to your ad campaigns. We track leads across platforms, even offline, and loop the data back to the ad engines so they learn who your best buyers are. It's like turning on headlights in the fog. The more data we send back, the better your campaigns perform, and the less money you waste. You don't need a huge in-house marketing team, just our dedicated experts and a proven system built to get your sales pipeline flowing with ready-to-buy prospects. We've used this exact system to help companies like American Rotary, Precision Quincy, and Hotshot Ovens flood their pipeline with qualified leads, without dealing with the tech headaches of managing their own marketing tech. If you want a predictable way to scale quotes and sales without the guesswork, schedule a value-packed call. Let's see if it's a fit.